There was a fish. It was a small fish, which is okay. I catch myself all the time. You probably saw it in one of those other episodes. I'm always saying, I'm really over a big fish thing, so I really don't need to be about a big fish. And then, like, the very next shot, I think this is gonna be a big fish. That's why I'm doing this journal. Because, one, so you can see what happens when I'm fishing. Two, so I can learn. We're always learning. There's some really big fish rising up here. It's like broad daylight right now.
Watch this. Come on, fish, where'd you go? There's one up there. Oh, there's another one. Oh my gosh. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh. I think it was that same spot. Is the fly still there? Yeah. You didn't even feel it.
I don't know what that was. I was like, I didn't. Did you see me? I was like, oh shit! I grabbed my line and grabbed me. Have you been able to get any of these?
Let's say, give him the downstream. There he is.
Jeez, he's under the bank. It's a nice fish.
Sometimes I forget that I can just take my camera and film myself fishing. I always overcomplicate it. I think I do that with a lot of things.